On the request of the student, in this video, I will tell you about the important points of the chapter number 2 of Geography. Students, this chapter started from the two example in which first is connected to the Mamba who live in Tanzania, Africa, gets up very early in the morning to fetch water. She has to walk a long way. Second example connected to the Peters who live in herd part of sheep rearing region in New Zealand, where his family runs a wool processing factory. Peter's family also grows vegetables through organic farming. Now, the first topic of this chapter, that is land. It covers only about 30% of the total area of the earth's surface. The uneven distribution of population in different parts of the world is mainly due to varied characteristics of land and climate. The rugged topography, steep slopes of the mountains, low-lying areas susceptible to water, logging desert areas, thick forested areas are normally sparsely populated or uninhabited. Plants and rivers valleys offer suitable land for agriculture. Hence, these are the densely populated area of the world. Now, the second topic, land use. Land is used for different purposes such as agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses, roads and setting up of industries. This is commonly termed as land use. The use of land is determined by physical factors such as topography, soil, climate, minerals and availability of water. Land can also be classified on the basis of ownership as private land and community land. Private land is owned by individuals. On the second way, community land is owned by the community. Community land are also called common property resources. Land degradation, landslides, soil erosion, desertification are the major threats to the environment because of the expansion of agriculture and construction activities. Next topic is conservation of land resources. Afforestation, land reclamation, regulated use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers, and checks on overgrazing are some of the common methods used to conserve land resources. Now the second topic is, or the next topic is soil. The thin layer of graying substance covering the surface of the earth is called soil. Soil is made up of organic matter, minerals and weathered rocks found on the earth. Factors of the soil formation. The major factors of soil formation are the nature of the parent rock and climatic factors. Next, degradation of soil and conservation measures. Soil erosion and depletion are the major threats to soil as resources. Factors which lead to soil degradation are deforestation, overgrazing, overuse of chemical fertilizers or pesticides, rainwash, landslide and floods. Some method of soil conservation are following, such as mulching, contour barriers, rock dam, fresh farming, intercropping, contour plowing and shelter belt. Students, the rest part of this chapter I will tell you in the next video.